guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis. I talk all about things neuroscience and productivity in order to help you build a life where pretty meets productive. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how to navigate the planner community and find your own planner piece along the way. I hope you join me and stick along. I'd love for you to subscribe as well so you don't miss my latest content. Hi guys, so my first tip is don't be afraid of change, whether that be size, brand, style of planner. We're always growing and evolving as people, so what you think you might be in this week could change next week as your needs change and as you grow and you develop your own style and personality within the community. So that's my first tip. Don't be afraid of change because the best things are often induced by changes. My second tip is build a system, not the perfect cover, because there will always be something trendy. Thirdly, edit. Remove things that just don't work. Using the same old insert if it's not working is just going to be wasted time and wasted space in your planner. So remove things that just don't work and find alternatives, or even use new inserts in new ways. I have a series on my channel featuring how I use certain inserts, so go and look over on those videos if you need some inspiration for how to get the most out of the inserts you own. Next up, don't replicate what everyone else is doing. You'll save a lot of time and money. For instance, if you hate color coding, you hate the look of having so many colors in your planner, don't do it just because a certain influencer is doing it. Do things that are authentic to you. That way you can utilize your planner more and get more out of it than if you are chasing the aesthetics and the look of someone else's vision and someone else's life. You want to do things that are authentic to you, and that is my 4th tip. My 5th tip is all about pouring into the community as much as you pour out. We're all getting inspiration and taking pretty photos for Instagram. There's so much inspiration to be had in the community, but if you are not active in it, you're not going to be getting value out of it. And so I want you to take your planner on a photo shoot, make a YouTube video about your setup, feel inspired and empowered to share your creations. When I first got into the community, I didn't really share a lot of my pictures or my planner, and it's only now in 2020 and 2021 that I've started to really show up for myself, and I think that's added a whole lot of just inspiration to my own journey in using a planner. And just before I leave, I want to give you a little bonus tip. You can start with whatever you have, be it a notebook and a pen. That's a great first step to figuring out your needs, what you like, what sorts of products and inserts you'll need, and you'll save a lot of money and time in researching the right things for you. So that is my little bonus tip. Start with whatever you have and start today. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my 5 tips on navigating the planner community and finding your own planner piece along the way. I just wanted to leave with this quick quote: if you don't execute, you don't grow. And so I think the first and best way to get started is to just start, and that is good advice in almost any domain of life. I hope you enjoyed my tips. I would love if you could like this video, subscribe, and tell me your favorite tip in the comments below. I'd love to chat with you guys. Thanks so much for the support. Bye.